Please take your seats. It's a pleasure to have you here. And we have Bhagwati there. And we thank you for, first of all, taking time off, coming here. The movie is just released today. Bumper opening. How does it feel? What was the feeling till yesterday night and what is the difference right now?
We're extremely excited because we've just watched the movie in Dubai and came back, and we've heard that it's taken a great opening. So that's what we were really hoping for, and that's what we really wanted. And we're excited now, you know, I mean, it's our first day, so we're just kind of...
Arjun, what about you?
Yeah, it's... hello everyone, firstly. Yeah, it's lovely, you know. We just, as Jack saying, that we finished Dubai. I came back, and then I saw it with my family and friends yesterday, and they all loved it. So the first stage is to get a good opening. And you know, then the audiences are excited about your film. It is a unique, different film. So yes, now we wait and see how tomorrow does and then day after does. And so we'll be just going through it. We are proud of the movie. And so, yeah, I'm really glad that the audiences have given us this kind of a start.
It should have been the music. They loved it. Did you love the music? We have... What about your reactions? They love the music there. Jacqueline, is it just getting hot in here? I don't know for what.
No, it's kind of cold actually.
No, it was a compliment, a cheeky compliment at you that you're looking very pretty. So the style statement went up in this movie. What do you have to say about that? And you're doing a very unique role. I'm not opening it up for the audience as of now.
You've seen it?
No, I know about it because this is the work we do, so
cool.
I got to keep myself updated.
No, we had a great team, great styling team. You know, I had to... I really didn't have to actually worry so much about that because they put these two phenomenal looks together so well, and they made them so different from each other, and they were able to kind of bring out that that feeling of Roy, the movie, because it is a very stylized film. And but yeah, I think I have to really kind of thank my entire styling team for that, putting it together.
And Arjun, whatever promos we saw, you're playing a very direct to the point a guy. Where did that come from? It's a total different role that we've seen you do.
Yeah, you try to look for different parts to do, I think, as actors, and I think that's what Roy gave all the characters. You know, if it was Jacqueline doing Aisha and Tia, or Ranbir playing Roy, and for me to play this filmmaker called Kabir, who, you know, is quite a complex character. So, yeah, it was wonderful to go through his different emotions. It's come out really nicely. I'm very happy with it. And I'm getting some wonderful responses back.
Yeah, I bet all your family, friends, your fans must be bombarding you with messages. So, and I've also heard both of you are gadget freaks. So tell me, how is which is the gadget that you love the most? Jacqueline?
My phone.
Oh, your phone, yeah. The women and their phones.
Obviously.
There was a time when women and bags went together. Now it's women and their phones.
No. Now the phone is a style statement.
Yeah.
Yeah, they have bags that have special compartments for phones also. Yeah, everything.
Chains that, you know, you can hook your phone to. It looks very cool.
And Arjun, what about you? We've heard that you're also quite a
I love my laptop. I love my phone. I love my iPad. I love my mixing equipment.
Okay.
I love all of that.
Yep. And you've been out here. I'd just like to draw your attention to all the screens out there. They were all playing Roy from morning. And you've been out here with us at our store. That's right. They've all been
It's
playing
not
Roy.
pirated or anything, no?
No. We have a splitter, so we play one into many.
Okay.
And we've been playing your songs. How's your experience being out here with us here at Reliance Digital?
Oh, it's lovely. I mean, it's so great to come now and see so many wonderful electronic gadgets all over. You can walk into a store, you know, you've got so much to choose from. It's very well organized, and you have a great staff. I've come here before, and I've picked up some stuff from you as well.
So he's come here before. Make some noise for Arjun Rampal, guys. Where's the noise? Jacqueline, how's your experience being out here with us? And then a second part of this question. How's the experience being out here with us at Reliance Digital?
Well, there's a lot of things I've actually seen which I would like to kind of buy.
Okay.
So
The store manager's happy. You can see the cash register ringing.
no, but you guys are gifting it to me, right?
Okay, we didn't get that. Sorry, that didn't come on the air. We'll edit that portion out.
A few things, just a few things. Don't
Just
worry.
a few ones?
Yeah,
Okay.
gadgets here.
So we'll get you something. So just tell me, which is one gadget that you'd like to take away from here for Valentine's Day?
I want that really big screen Mac computer. That
Okay.
one, the Apple.
The big one?
The,
Okay.
the biggest one.
Guys, you know what to pack up right now.
And
what
if
about
there's any big screen TVs, I'll take also this.
the big screen TVs? Okay, we all love television. And what about you, Arjun? What would you like to take away from here?
I don't know. I'm going to go have a look around after this.
you'll have a look
I'll
around?
see what all you have, and then I'll make my list.
The store manager just fainted.
Where is he? I'd like to meet him.
Okay, so thank you for being here with us. We ran a small contest out here, and we have some winners which we ran on a Facebook contest with us, and we'd like to call them on stage and just have a quick photo op. And once from there on, we'd like to move on to the open house question. इंग्लिश और हिंदी में
तेरे
जब
को भी
आप
खुद की लेनी है ना, तो ले लेना. इसके साथ क्यों खड़ा है?
Can we have you? Thank you, sir. Thank you. The songs are a big hit. Poor guy is a little heartbroken right now.
No,
It's
but
all
Jacqueline
right.
and me have done over, I think, 15,000 selfies in the last 8 days on these promotions. And we have decided to ban selfies.
They're very difficult.
They're very difficult.
Especially when you have to do them with like over 1,000 people a day.
Yeah,
Very
unbelievable.
difficult. So,
So no hard feelings. You want to take a normal picture, we'll take with you all.
Yeah.
But खुद की नहीं लेनी है.
हिंदी और इंग्लिश के बीच में जब ट्रांसलेशन होता है, लेट्स गो हैंग आउट, चलो जाके लटकते हैं, ऐसी कुछ बातें होती है. जैकलिन, द सॉन्ग्स आर डूइंग वेल. आपकी चिट्ठी खलाइयाँ बहुत फेमस हो रही है शादियों में, पार्टीज में. Could you hear you croon, sing a few lines for us? Would you like to do that? You want to listen to us sing? I can't hear you. Yes or a no?
First you pack that plasma, na?
Huh?
That big one.
Yeah, it's
And
done,
then
sir.
she'll dance.
Yes, sir. Who's giving the credit card? Okay.
where's that general manager? The store manager?
The manager just he fainted.
Okay.
Okay, so would you like to sing someone? The songs are doing well. Would you like to sing maybe a line or two? You want to listen to us sing? Come on, everybody, where's the noise? 3, 2, 1. Everybody make noise.
Manjave menu shopping kara de. Manjave romantic picture dikha de. Request apayave. Chittiya kalayave. Oh baby meri chittiya kalayave. Chittiya kalayave. Oh baby meri white kalayave. You guys are supposed to sing with me.
Superb. Come on.
Okay, before we move on, we'd like to call upon two people out here with us. First of all, I'd like to call the department manager, Mr. Rakesh Shirke, out here to hand over a bouquet to Jacqueline for being here with us. And when we proceed to the open house, the media can get ready with their questions. Can we have Mr. Rakesh Shirke here? Jacqueline, this is from the team coming in. Thank you.
That's a good sign.
Hello.
Any questions?
Hello.
Oh, hi.
Yeah. Hi, Jacqueline. Hi. Hi, Arjun. This is
Hello.
Manisha here from Dainik Bhaskar. Just wanted to know, the promotions are done, everything is done. Now you guys are looking relaxed. So, what are the plans for tomorrow? Like, it's a Valentine's Day, it's a
Valentine's Day.
special day tomorrow.
Firstly, we are not relaxed right now.
Is it?
We're
I
just
thought
very
you were
good
relaxed now.
actors.
You should see us when we get into the car.
It's a wonderful feeling when the film is open really good. So that feels great. For Valentine's Day, we both had made a pact with each other a long time ago that if we will be going to watch Roy together tomorrow. And then she's going to dance Chittiya Kalaiyan for me.
And then he's going to take me shopping.
And I have to take her shopping. So that's what we're going to do.
अर्जुन शिखा हियर फ्रॉम बॉलीवुड नज़र अर्जुन आप एक बायोपिक कर रहे हैं अरुण गावली के ऊपर उस पर सुनने में आया है कि आपको एक लीगल नोटिस मिला है कितनी सच्चाई है और आप मिलने भी गए थे उनसे तो इस थोड़ा क्लियर करेंगे इस न्यूज़ को
मेरे प्रोड्यूसर ने उसका क्लैरिफिकेशन वैसे दे दिया था मगर हाँ मैं एक बायोपिक कर रहा हूँ अरुण गावली पर और मैं जे हॉस्पिटल गया था एक रेकी पे अपने प्रोड्यूसर के साथ एंड वहाँ पर कोई पुलिस के गाड़ियाँ खड़े थे तो हमने पूछा कि कौन आया है क्योंकि जे हॉस्पिटल में मोस्टली ऑल द क्रिमिनल्स कम हु हैव फॉर देयर ट्रीटमेंट्स और उन्होंने कहा था कि अरुण गावली हैं उस हॉस्पिटल में तो थोड़ी सी लालच थी एक एक्टर की और उस हिसाब से मैंने कहा कि यार जाके हेलो तो बोल देते हैं और गलती मेरी थी मुझे नहीं जाना चाहिए था बुरा लगता है as a criminal, as a law के हिसाब से there's nothing wrong to go and meet somebody. मगर I know I could have put the people who were taking care of him, जो पुलिस वाले वहाँ पर थे, who were supposed to take care of him. मेरी मुलाकात उनके साथ 5-10 मिनट के लिए ऐसी लॉबी में हुई थी और शायद उनको दिक्कत हो और मैं यही चाहूँगा कि दिक्कत ना हो. तो जब पुलिस ने मुझसे पूछा था जब कि क्या हमारी मुलाकात हुई थी और मैंने उनको ये बात समझाई थी तो वो समझ गए. वो जानते हैं कि हम एक फिल्म बना रहे हैं और मुझे आगे भी जाके उनसे तो मिलना ही पड़ेगा. तो वो सिर्फ बता रहे थे कि कौन से परमिशंस लेने हैं, कैसे जाना है, क्या करना है.
Hi Jacqueline, Khushbu here. You sung very well as we saw. So we can expect in future you will sing as a playback singer in your movie.
Expect what?
As a playback singer you will sing in future in your movie. We can expect.
You never know.
I thought she sings really well, doesn't she? She's a beautiful voice.
I'm asking.
Yeah, I think so.
Honestly, it's not something I think. I think I need to concentrate on my acting for now. I think I'll be distracting myself by if I think about all that other stuff. I want to concentrate on my acting and my dancing for now. Yeah.
जैकलिन कुछ न्यूज़ थी ऐसे घूम रही थी कि कोई भी
आपको ये न्यूज़ ही घूमती हुई कहाँ नजर आई?
मुझे कंफर्मेशन नहीं मिलती इसलिए मैं कंफर्म कर रही हूँ. हाँ, देयर वर रिपोर्ट्स कि कोई भी फिल्म साइन करने से पहले या फिर कोई स्क्रिप्ट आप सुनती हैं तो आप सलमान से पूछती हैं. क्या ये सच है? आप पूछती हैं उनसे फ़ोन करके?
हाँ, पूछती हूँ.
Like before signing any film, you take permission or you consult?
Not permission. Hello. What is this? No, but I do ask, and I ask from a few people as well. You know, people I feel that I can trust who know about the industry, who know about movies. Jaise Salman, jaise, yeah, advice. You know, like 'cause a lot of the times, I mean, I do consider, even though I have been in the industry now, I've done a couple of films. I feel that you know there are people out there who I can trust who have a lot more experience than me. And I'd like to get their feedback about certain movies before I go and sign them and make a rash decision.
जैकलिन, अर्जुन जैसे बायोपिक फिल्म कर रहे हैं, क्या हम आपको कभी किसी बायोपिक फिल्म में देखेंगे या किसकी आप करना चाहते हैं?
A biopic?
Yeah.
If I was to do a biopic? I think we've not we haven't made a biopic on Mother Teresa yet. Yeah. I could be Mother. Yeah, I would like to play Mother Teresa. It'd be very interesting to see, because then I get to learn about her as well, and I do think that she was a very, very important figure in Indian history.
Last question for the day.
Yep. Jacqueline, Kick 2 की script Salman लिख रहे हैं. How to is the news?
Kick 2?
Yeah.
That's very sad because I've not heard about it. I'm very sad right now. I didn't know that he's read it. No, I don't know. I don't know anything actually. I don't know if it's been conceptualized or not, or if there is a script for Kick 2. But I hope so, because the first one did very well. So it would be great.
जैकलिन, रणबीर कपूर भी है इस फिल्म में, तो उन्हें कुछ टिप्स देना चाहेंगी वैलेंटाइन डे के लिए उनकी?
Am I in a position to be, Well, see, I have a date, okay, for Valentine's. I heard, that he's going to be taking Vicky on a date for Valentine's to watch Roy.
जब हम दिल्ली में promotions कर रहे थे साथ में रणबीर के साथ, तो हम लोग ने सब एक पैक बनाया था. तो I think he was going to ask Jacqueline, but I'd already asked Jacqueline to go out. तो Vicky हमारे जो director हैं वो बच गए थे. So I think Vicky and him know each other since they've been kids. So I think they're spending Valentine's together.
How romantic.
Thank you. And let's make some noise. Wish them all the best for Roy. It's open today to some bumper openings. Make some noise for them.